Have you ever wondered why do we sneeze? Well, here is why. Whenever we inhale or come in contact with any foreign particles such as dirt, dust, smoke or pollen, then the inner delicate lining of your nose or the tiny hairs which are already present inside our nose sends an electrical signal to our brain, asking the brain to get rid from those harmful particles. Then eventually the brain sends the signal to our body that it's sneeze time. So next time whenever you are about to sneeze, then don't try to suppress it. Take a handkerchief and just sneeze it and blow out all your germs.